associated with the Provali brand of the House of Aptech, and I have joined Aptech past in 2022 in the October month, and the journey has been amazing. With different kinds of experiences. So the very first thing that begins with what it comes to my mind when I think about my service over here is I have learned a lot. I learned a lot from the seniors who have always guided me in here, and a lot of self-learning that we have experienced in here, and it is very important in the long run, I personally believe. So as we grow in our professional journey, if we are able to do that learning, we actually develop ourselves for the longer run, and that has significantly been boosted in here. So this is one of the biggest aspects of working. And the next is, I believe, that the management. So the management is always very welcoming. So be it you are a junior, be it you are a senior or in mid-range, whichever is your profile, doesn't matter. In any meeting, we are openly talking about our ideas. We have the privilege of putting our thought process on the table, and the amazing part is the leaders and the mentors who are associated with the Aptech in the at the top level. They are always very welcoming and they will listen to you. So at the end of the day, I do not feel that whether my ideas will be rejected or not, because I know that the people are there who are listening to me. So as an employee, I feel that is a very self boost at the end of the day. So I think that is something that every one of us look for, and that gives a lot of inner confidence. I think that has been one of the biggest aspects, and I truly believe that such kind of environment in an organization helps the employees to grow in a longer run. Going forward, I feel like I will definitely grow as an employee, and especially having amazing mentors over here, I think things will turn out to be even more better, because we have the thing of working together, and that safe environment is there where you do not feel rejected, you do not feel that I am not good enough, and you are always felt like, yes, I can put my ideas and I can turn around the situation. So I think that's what the boost that this organization has given me as an employee. And this is not only limited, this learning will not be only limited in here, and it will definitely going to make me a better person and a better employee in a longer run. So I think this is the biggest contribution of Aptech and the mentors of Aptech, who has been there and who was always there and always there for us over a call, over message away, and since the teams are sitting in different parts of India. So I think that's how my experience is till date, and I hope that Aptech will have a fantastic future ahead, and I will be able to contribute even in a better way in the future days for a brighter brand visibility across the globe. So thank you so much.